Smart Grid Training. Smart grid training with emphasis on developing and enhancing workforce within the electric power sector focuses on smart grid technologies. Our smart grid training address on the entire electricity delivery system, including transmission, distribution, and electrical equipment manufacturing. Learn about tools and techniques to build, operate, and maintain a modern electricity system, integrating renewable energy sources, and issues environmental concerns including carbon management. Smart grid training targets professionals involved in power electronics, information and communications technologies, policy, and economics. Tonex Smart Grid Training is created for energy industry including utilities, government, environment and other stakeholders. Smart Grid Training course is designed for engineers, managers, executives and other professionals who need to get a good understanding on what the smart grid is, how technologies would alter and modify the current grid, and what the smart grid of the future would look like. Learning objectives. By the end of this training, attendees will be able to understand what smart grid is and its benefits. Advance your knowledge about smart grid concepts and technologies. Learn about smart grid technology, business and operations of energy generation. Learn about smart grid architecture and implementation. Understand how advanced technologies should be integrated to enable a modern grid. Understand how renewables can be integrated more seamlessly using smart grid technologies. Learn about smart grid of the future. Course outlines. Introduction to smart grid. Electric grid modernization, smart grid. Smart grid technology components. Implementation, standards, and interoperability. Smart grid deployment. Smart grid operation. Learn about tools and techniques to build, operate, and maintain a modern electricity system, integrating renewable energy sources, and issues environmental concerns including carbon management. Smart grid training targets professionals involved in power electronics, information and communications technologies, policy, and economics. Learn more about smart grid. Visit tonex.com.